Evan, can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. All right, this is our last module. So we're on week 5, and then the attendance QR code, I also sent it out in the email. It will also be sent out on Slack as we've done before. Leave it up there. Grab it. Okay. So, for this week, we are basically just having work time for the project. And I'll go a little bit into the details of the project in a second. But first, I'm just going to run through a list of assignments that we've had over the course of the 5-week class. So yeah, I'm not sure why these are out of order, but so there was module 2, module 3, and module 4 assignments. If for some reason you did not get any of these in, please send us a Slack message and we can talk from there. To get the certificate, you're supposed to do every single assignment in the course. And we don't actually give out the certificates. That's something the Milestones office does. So we just send them a list of who's completed all the assignments and who hasn't. So please talk to us if you have any concern about that. And then as far as the certificates go, like we said in the first week, they're usually given about mid of the next semester, from when you complete the class. So that would be for this session, that would be most likely June-ish. If you don't get anything around then, feel free to email either me or George, or just email back the Milestones office. They can also answer questions about that. And that'll come in an email to your Purdue email. And it'll be an electronic certificate, so you can like put it on LinkedIn, or you can print it out if you'd like as well. So for the final project, so it's fairly simple from what we've done these last 5 weeks. You basically need to create a shape that you can run shape optimization on to improve it. And this can be an existing project you guys have. My project was actually a hook that I attached onto my bed. I basically did a shape optimization and static stress analysis on that, or any simple object you create, like the model we have that we've been using as an example for these past 5 weeks, things like that. So basically, you're going to optimize the shape and run a static stress simulation on it after. And what you need to do to prove to us that you basically did the project is just show us a screenshot of the you're going to show us the 3 screenshots that you've been showing us for the static stress simulation at the end of the entire project. And then you're going to show us the shaped optimization study mesh, which is after you run the shaped optimization, that's basically the cut out part with the mesh already. And then the initial mesh, which is basically the mesh before you generate before you run the shaped optimization. So just that's that first step, just generating the mesh, just take a screenshot of that for us. So that's going to be a total of 5 screenshots in a Word document like usual. That is the entire requirements for the project. So there's plenty of freedom for you guys to do whatever you'd like with it. We now basically just have time to work on it, so we can walk around, help you guys out, and anything like that. Also, if you're watching this online, either right now or after the class, and you have any questions, feel free to Slack us or put them in the assignments channel in Slack. That way we can reach out to you and help you with your questions. Oh, one more thing. I'm going to put this up for a brief second just for the purposes of the video later, but this is the assignment submission link. I'll also send this out later through Slack like we usually do. And then just kind of on a final note, thank you guys. You stick with us for the 5 weeks. This is actually the first session that ASME is running of this class. It's been really fun kind of having everyone participate and do well in it. So yeah, back to this.
Is there anything?
A what?
An attendance QR?
Yeah. Yeah.